Hi, Milo.
Hey, good morning.
Hi, Milo. Are you eating goldfish? Yes. Point at the camera. Ben. Hi, Ben.
Say wave at Grandma. Say hi, Grandma.
Where I can see him. There we are. Hi, Ben. Are you sitting on top of Grandpa? And hi, Cannon. What do you want?
And what's the note on the head?
Cannon, what do you want?
I can take
Hi.
the older ones on a walk.
Cannon, what do you want?
Hello, how are y'all doing? Good.
Here. Here.
Yeah, all their parents are in the tabernacle.
Hi, boys. So where are you sisters from?
They're from Tahiti.
Really? Wonderful.
That's a long way away. How about you? Take many pictures? That's a long way away too.
Oh, that would be wonderful. It's a video camera, but I can take stills off of it.
Okay.
So
So just the red button.
you're already filming.
Okay.
I'm just going to turn them around and we'll... bring him down. And then I can take a still off of that and just pull it off. So.
Okay.
Hi.